Samsung's about to drop some big news on their next flagship series, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But hold on, there's a twist. The camera isn't getting the massive upgrade we hoped for. So what's new and what's staying the same? Let's dive in and find out why the S25 Ultra might still be the phone to watch in 2025. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Enquiries X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Enquiries, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at enquiries.co. Let's back to our video. Now, let's start with what everyone loves to talk about, the camera. You've heard the rumors, right? Everyone was expecting a jaw-dropping overhaul, but not so fast. Turns out the main camera setup isn't changing much. We're sticking with the same 200 megapixel ISO cell HP2 sensor as last year. Same with the trusty 10 megapixel Sony IMX754 for those zoom shots. And for the 5x zoom, yep, still rocking that 50 megapixel IMX854 sensor. But wait, don't roll your eyes just yet. There is one exciting change. The ultra-wide camera is getting a sweet upgrade to a 50 megapixel ISO cell JN3 sensor. It's not mind-blowing, but hey, it's something, right? And here's the kicker. The cameras are going to look different. Samsung's going with a bold new design for the lenses, thick, dark rings around each camera. Imagine the Galaxy Z Fold 6 sleek style, but without that awkward camera bump. Finally, a flat-back phone that won't wobble on the table. That's a win. Now, speaking of design, let's talk about the overall feel of the S25 Ultra. Renders and leaks from our favorite source, Ice Universe, show a phone with rounded corners that'll improve comfort and ergonomics. No more chunky edges digging into your palm, plus Samsung's shaving off some width and weight. It's still a powerhouse of a phone, but it won't feel like you're holding a brick. Progress! And guess what? We got a sneak peek at the front of the phone too. Thanks again to Ice Universe, a live image of the display assembly shows the S25 Ultra sporting even thinner bezels than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. It's not a dramatic difference, but every little millimeter counts. And yes, those slightly rounded corners are back, adding to that more polished ergonomic feel. But let's get real. This new design does bear a striking resemblance to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Coincidence? Maybe. Samsung's S25 Ultra is matching that 6.9-inch display size, and with only 0.2 millimeter thinner bezels, we're looking at some fierce competition. Is Samsung taking cues from Apple? You decide. Now, here's where things get interesting. We all expected the Galaxy S25 lineup to feature the Exynos 2500 chip for the Vanilla and Plus models, while the Ultra would get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. But rumors are swirling that Samsung might not have the Exynos chip ready in time. So what does that mean? Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could power the entire lineup. That's right, no more split chips between regions. So what do you think? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra shaping up to be a game changer, or is it just more of the same with a new coat of paint? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest leaks and rumors, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Trust me. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.